Oh hey guys, Jimmy again with Florida Cool. Just putting some stuff away, just got back to the shop after a service call. Here's the inside of my truck, fully stocked, ready to tackle any HVAC problem you guys may have. All of our technicians here at Florida Cool are NATE certified, North American Technician Excellence. They stay up to date on the current changes in our industry, and they have to require testing every couple of years to stay NATE certified. So all of our guys that come to your house or your apartment condo are 100% NATE certified. They're good mechanics, they're the top notch, they're the best in the business. Hey guys, Florida Cool here. We've been in business since 1992. We are a factory authorized carrier dealer, and we are the experts. We offer quality products and quality workmanship. Give us a call at 239-594-9871, and you can also find us on our website at www.floridacoolinc.com.